Pourquoi? Was ist los? Oh, it fits right in the frame and I'm 2 feet from it. 2015 smart car. Yeah, I know. It's kind of in the same family, isn't it? There should be a Mercedes emblem on the front. Just picked this up the other day. Ridiculous, fantastic deal. It's a 2015, but it's brand new. It has 4,000 original kilometers. Well, I had 4,000 when I picked it up the other day. I've actually put 300 kilometers on it since I bought it. But it's a Smart Pure. Originally a Mercedes rental that they did out of a company called Cars to Go, I guess. So there's a little thingy here and a little thingy in the trunk for, I guess, obtaining the keys for this daily rental car. And the Cars to Go cars come basically fully loaded, well, not fully loaded, but leather wheel, leather shifter, the upgraded stereo with navigation, air conditioning, power windows, power locks, remote, blah blah blah, and some other stuff. Only weird thing about it is it doesn't have, or uncool, doesn't have aluminum wheels. It's got the steel wheels. And like I said, well, now 4,448 kilometers. DVD player, CD player, blah blah blah, USB. They don't come with a glove compartment. There's no storage in this thing whatsoever. No change storage, no nothing. So I've remedied that by going to the wrecking yard and getting a couple of items, which I'll be making some videos on installing. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it does have the factory navigation. Anyway, I'm going to turn that off. But, you know, around $8,000, including tax, license, blah, 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 everything out the door for essentially a new car. 4,000, like I said, 4,000 kilometers when I got it, which is about 2,400 miles, which is essentially brand new. And it's like new in here. Nothing's really been touched. This is the way I picked it up. This is the way the dealer got it. And it also came with a full service from Mercedes of Canada, who had let's get the little thingy out. This was the keys. This was the company. It was Cars to Go. Mercedes got out of renting the smart cars from Cars to Go. Here's also the little lockbox that's in the trunk. I guess they kept keys or something in there, but I'm going to unbolt that and get rid of it. But it just had a service from Mercedes when they get rid of these things, when they do a full A service, which it has not even done the kilometers to require. $903 service, $700 in labor. I don't know why so much labor. $79 in parts, but I guess they just went over the entire car, checked everything, replaced what needed to be replaced from essentially not doing many kilometers for the 4 years that it's been alive. So yeah, like I said, essentially a brand new car. And if you look on the internet, these things, this is the gas Mitsubishi engine. I think it's 900 cc's. I don't even know. I haven't even checked yet to see what size. I know it's not the turbocharged one, and it's not a diesel. But I think it was averaging 51, 52 miles per gallon, using 4 liters per gallon as a gauge, not 3.8 for the US gallon, not 4.5 for the imperial gallon. I just rounded it to 4, which is a little lower than the imperial gallon, and it worked out to about 51, 52 miles per gallon. And that was driving at like 130 Ks on the highway the whole time. I can't seem to get used to driving a little slower. I'm sure at 110 it'd be a lot better. I'm just using it for commuting back and forth to work. Kind of sick of spending as much money on gas as I am on the ML or the G-Wagon. I mean, that's a lot of gas doing as much driving as I do. So just for an extra and around the town car and to go back and forth to work where I don't really care, $8,000 for a brand new car, well, how can you go wrong? There is no body damage. The tires are all essentially brand new Continental. There's snow tires too, so I guess they just left snow tires on them year round. It's from Vancouver, which doesn't use salt on the road, so there's no salt. The car's never been exposed to salt, so nothing underneath is rusty whatsoever. And then they shipped them, once they got rid of them from Vancouver, they shipped them all back to Mercedes headquarters in Ontario, where they serviced it and then threw them on dealership lots to get rid of them, and that's where I got it. Again, I haven't cleaned off the original stickers. There's some gum and stuff, but there's no body damage. There's no anything. Can't get door dings in one. They're plastic. But anyway, yeah, I'll be making a few videos on this. I don't know how many. I don't know what I'm going to be doing to it. It's a stupid little car. I just might do the stupidest little mods that I can and make it completely ridiculous. Maybe it'll be a Pimp My Smart. I don't know. But for now, yay, another car in the driveway. Thanks for watching.